Subscribe to Grazia and press on the bell icon.
I had put in almost 1,000 hours and wrote like 100 drafts and even worked on a weekend. Now I just don't want to write anymore.
But Aditya, you lied to me for free clothing, right? How chindi, yaar?
चिंदी किसको बोला बे? और तू है कौन? Glorified पेला?
You cannot have an independent flavor. It'll just stick out like a sore thumb.
Thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much.
I've given you more than enough chances. I'm not here to run your magazine, right? I need to close an issue.
You need to call this photographer, scrap this shoot, make sure he deletes every single image. Anika's a good girl, but she's been really foolish. It's not about a second chance. I think this is her last chance. An internship at Grazia involves a lot of learning. I do hope she takes something back with her.
I'm a little taken aback by Tara's behavior. You get an opportunity to work on an exciting and interesting piece like this, and this is how you treat it. Your own ego is bigger than the magazine. What is she going to learn from this internship? What is she going to take away?
And now we walk with guilt. Especially Anika, she's miserable and it's our own fault. We've just killed all the fun. The fact that we still have our internships, it says a lot about these women in Grazia. I mean, we've given them pretty much every reason and more to show us the door. But we're still here.
I've never seen Mehna so livid. But then Anika deserved it. We made sure the entire shoot was scrapped and every image was deleted. By now, she must have figured out that working here cannot be taken so lightly and that she needs to work double as hard to make amends to her work and her equation with the team.
Hi.
Why are you still moping? It's been a while now. There's so many things to look forward to, so many shoots coming up. Concentrate on that, na? What is this? You girls are making this place very depressing, huh? For God's sake, cheer up, yeah? Cheer up. Okay? Cool.
I was really stupid to do what I did, and I've been really ashamed of myself. It's been really hard, but now I've been given a new chance, and it would be even more stupid to blow it. I cannot let my sulking and my guilt come in the way of performing better. Anyway, I'm really excited because I'm going to Anita Dongre's factory in Rabale to source clothes for the next shoot. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Anika. I'm from Grazia magazine. I'm here to collect the clothes.
Yeah, we were packing for you.
Okay.
See, how does this look?
Oh, this is so pretty.
We will just pack for it.
Actually, you know what? This entire place is really beautiful.
Do you want to have a good tour?
Seriously, we can?
Yes.
It will be amazing.
That'll be great. Let's go.
Thank you.
This is our fabric room. We store fabric for all our brands here. And this is our design team.
Wow, so beautiful. Do you mind if I take a picture? It's for my Instagram.
Yeah, sure.
Hi.
Hi, hello, ma'am.
You're new here.
Yeah, ma'am. Anika, I'm from Grazia magazine.
Hi, Anika.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, ma'am, she just showed me this beautiful place, and I loved your collection. It's amazing.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can I please have a picture with you?
Yes, sure. Just a minute.
Thank you so
All the
much.
best.
You're so sweet. Thank
See
you,
you.
ma'am.
Bye.
Hi. Anika, I'm here from Grazia to
Can't you see I'm doing some work? Just go and sit there.
Okay.
Here it is. Hey, just be careful. How are you holding the piece? Don't you know how to handle designer wear? Hold with the hanger. You're crushing all the frills around.
I'm handling it with care.
Really? That's why I request my team not to call these interns. They just don't know how to handle designer wear.
Okay, excuse me. By the way, I own like 5 pieces from this label.
Really?
Yes.
I'm Julia Roberts. Anyways, I'll pack it for you.
You know what? I am never rude to anyone. That's what I hate about myself. I am not even rude to someone who's rude to me. Not trying to brag, but I can literally buy half of a shop. Of course, Dad would kill me or he would get a heart attack. But that's not the point.
Heart attack?
The point is that even if I'm someone who cannot afford designer wear, she has no right to talk to me like that.
As per the team's requirement, I had to collect 5 LPDs for 1 shot. 3 I had to rent and 2 I had to buy. The buying was easy. For the rentals, I contacted about 4 stores, out of which only 2 called me back. 1 I had to go back to because there was an issue with the zipper of the dress. And the other one sent me to another stylist who was renting the same dress for their shoot. So I went to her house. She was about 2 hours late, which was fine because I finally got the dress. The next morning, I came to know that the entire LBD shoot had been scrapped.
We just have no time. I haven't washed my hair in 3 days and I never do that, especially when I'm traveling in rickshaws.
I have not seen the sun in over 2 weeks. I think I have vitamin D deficiency.
One day, I had to eat Rustica sandwich because as usual, we were running late and Tara forgot our lunch in the cab.
I haven't been able to read anything. No books, nothing. It's like, I can't even say what it's like.
I have dark circles.
I haven't been able to shave my legs. I can only wear jeans.
Is this what a career does to your life?
Now, if you think about it, this whole intern fiasco has been such a blessing in disguise. It's almost like they become more diligent or something. I wish this had happened earlier.
Diana, good intern is a result of great karma.
No wonder he's always complaining.
Guys, these are far from good karma interns. They have to prep for the next shoot, and then there's the Akbar Dada certificate. So God help them with that.
Oh, that will be interesting.
Karthik.
Anika, listen. I don't want to fight right now. Just tell me if you're coming or not. Yeah.
Karthik, tu hi bata yaar. With the given scenario, how can I go and ask for permission to let me go out for a wedding, that too in Delhi?
Just call in sick or something, yeah.
I can't. I have responsibilities, man. I have a shoot, I can't come.
I was about to introduce you to my family during this wedding.
So I'll come later, na?
No, I want you here tonight.
Karthik, I can't come.
अनिका, अगर आज नहीं आई ना तो कभी आने की जरूरत नहीं है. And I'm serious about this.
Are you breaking up with me?
Yes, I'm sick of your dramas and your freaking internship.
Karthik, please.
Anika, I just want a simple and dedicated girlfriend. Either be that or get lost.
I don't have the time or the frame of mind to think about Karthik or my breakup. I have to shut it all out for this shoot. I'll think about it only and only after I'm done here.
भाई ऊपर से ऑर्डर आया कि दोनों लड़कियों को सिखाना है. हमने कहा भाई सिखा देंगे. दोनों लड़कियों की हमने फिरकी बना दी. भाई हमारा मानना यह है कि जब तक इंसान चप्पल ना घिसे खून पसीना एक ना करे काम के खाक सीखेगा। भाई अकबर की शागिर्दी ऐसी मूली तो है नहीं कि आपने उखाड़ी और खा ली।
I've seen Akbar Dada make our interns work really hard. Only a few of them can take it. He's a super tough taskmaster, and I'm really, really surprised that the girls made it. They passed his test.
Actually, surprise is an understatement. I'm shocked at Anika and Tara's transformation. From being complete goof-up magnets to what I've seen today is a tremendous change. And coming from someone like me who's a little bit harsh and a bit of a stickler for rules and details, it's a big thing. Unfortunate that I have to let one of them go. It's hard training new interns, you know.
It's over. Listen, बाहर में जाए. That jerk. I'm so glad I'm done with him. I hate him so much. I don't know why I was dating him in the first place. You know what? That I am done and I'm free. We should celebrate this freedom.
Oh, we're celebrating.
Yes, by dancing. Okay? And you are gonna dance with me.
I'm dancing.
Yes.
I'm dancing.
Yes, yes, you are.
Okay.
Definitely.
Yes, you are. Dance with me. बस हो गया? नहीं, अभी नहीं. Okay, fine. I'm really sleepy. I think I'm gonna go now. I need my beauty sleep.
Beauty
Sure.
sleep. So she's gonna sleep for the next 12 hours.
2 days. Care to dance?
Dance.
Yeah, why not?
You know how to dance.
I can try.
Shut up.
No, seriously.
Fine. Let's see you dance. So how do you dance, Mr. Aditya?
So, yeah, the hand's perfectly here. And this hand's gonna be here.
Okay.
Step a little this side. And we go
What?
right, left,
This is the most
go
awkward
back,
dance in the world.
twirl, and then you come close.
Definitely use them on the outdoor for Manisha's shoot. You'll need more hands.
But listen now, she's really upset now. So can you come tomorrow?
You know what?
Shut up! We still haven't made the duty sheet to give to Dan.
I don't have time. I've got bigger issues.
So, ladies,